Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can fix the problem of the Instagram story mention not working. Before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Now let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile. Tap on the plus icon to add your story. Select anything from your gallery to post on your story. Tap on the text option, tap on mention, then enter their username. After you've done this, tap on your story, and as you can see, your story has mentioned them. Now, when they open your story from their profile, they will see an add to your story button that appears on the bottom of your story, and then they can simply repost your story on their story. If this is not working, or if they cannot mention you, or if you cannot mention them in your story, what you do is follow the simple steps. What you need to do is tap on the profile icon that appears on the bottom right of your screen. Then go to the hamburger menu that appears on the top right corner. Tap on it. Tap on settings and privacy. Then scroll down until you see the option of sharing. Now on the second option, you can see the allow others to share your stories if you mention them. Now what you need to do is enable this option. Once you enable this option, the person you've tagged will be able to share your story on their story for 24 hours. This solves the problem of reposting your story. However, if you cannot mention them, then make sure that on their tags and mention options in their account, make sure that they've allowed tags from everyone and allowed mentions from everyone. If they have not selected this option in their account, then you won't be able to tag them in your story, and hence they won't be able to repost it. So if these options are allowed in their account, and if you've posted your story as your main story and not your close friend's story, and once you have enabled this option in sharing that reads allow others to share your stories if you mention them, you will be able to fix the problem of the Instagram story mention. However, if it's still not working, then what you do is you long press on your Instagram app, go to app info, tap on force stop, confirm that you want to force stop, and then go to storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, confirm that you want to clear cache, and then your Instagram story mention problem should be fixed. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.